The liver is a highly efficient organ that continuously detoxifies the body. However, making lifestyle choices that support liver health can be beneficial. If you're looking to support your liver over a few days, consider incorporating the following practices. 1. Hydration. Drink plenty of water to help flush out toxins and support overall bodily functions. 2. Nutrient-rich foods. Consume a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. These provide essential nutrients that support liver function. 3. Limit processed foods. Reduce your intake of processed foods, sugary drinks, and high-fat foods, which can burden the liver. 4. Include liver-friendly foods. Include foods known to support liver health, such as cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, beets, garlic, and turmeric. 5. Herbal teas. Consider drinking herbal teas like dandelion or milk thistle tea, which are believed to have liver protective properties. 6. Adequate sleep. Ensure you get enough quality sleep, as this is crucial for overall health, including liver function. 7. Exercise. Engage in moderate exercise, as physical activity supports circulation and overall well-being. 8. Limit alcohol if possible. Limit or avoid alcohol during the detox period, as it can strain the liver. Remember, a balanced and sustainable approach to a healthy lifestyle is more beneficial than short-term detoxes. If you have pre-existing health conditions or concerns, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes. If you found this information helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know in the comments if you'd like more videos on liver health. Thanks for joining us today, and take care of your amazing liver. Until next time, stay healthy.